Hi, boys and girls. This is sight word practice for set number 2. Again, if you want to practice without my voice, or if you want to watch the practice videos that are on the side of each slide, stop now and go to the slides with no sound. It says no sound in the title. But if you want to practice along with my voice, stay right here with me. The first thing that we're going to do is read each word, then we'll spell the word, then we'll read each word again, just like we do in the classroom. After that, we will read the word in a sentence, and then you will have a chance to read it on your own. Be sure to point to each word as you read. Again, if you don't want to watch the slides with my voice, go to the slides with no sound, and you can watch the extra songs and videos on the side for practice. There's also some books there that you can practice reading along with if you'd like. Okay, our first word is come. C-O-M-E. Come. Remember, this is a rule breaker. It does not look the way that it sounds. Let's read the sentence. Can you come hop? Now you try. Good job. Awesome. Next word, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Can you find that sight word we've talked about in there? Use your chunky monkey strategy. That's right, there's it. It is inside the word little. Little. Let's read the sentence. The mouse is little. Now you try. Next word, said. This is a hard one, boys and girls. It is really tricky. Spell the word. S-A-I-D. Said. I said, stop. Now you try. Anytime you see these little guys right here, they look like little chicken tracks. We call those quotation marks. Inside of those quotation marks, someone is talking. Those are the words they are saying. A lot of times when you see these quotation marks, you might find this word said because it means that someone is talking. So that's a good clue. If you get stuck on this word and you know you're reading sad or something else and it doesn't sound right, look for those quotation marks to help you remember the word said. Do. D-O. Do. I do have lots of fish. Now you read. Have. Here's another rule breaker. H-A-V-E. Have. It looks like that silent E at the end should not even be there, but it is. Let's read the sentence. I just have one sock. Now you try. Good job. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. I like to skip. Out. In this word, the O-U makes the ow sound. O-U-T. Out. My dog and I go out. You read? Well, there's a lot of sight words in that sentence. Good job. Say. S-A-Y. Say. Yuck, I say. Oh, there's those quotation marks again. That's a clue. Do you remember what that means? That's right. That means someone's talking in here. Say is a lot like said. Both of those words mean that someone is talking. So. S-O. So. His neck is so long. You try? Was. Here's another rule breaker. It does not look the way it sounds. W-A-S. It looks like it should say was, but that is incorrect. That is wrong. It is was. Read the sentence with me. She was lost. Now you read it on your own. Good job. What? W-H-A-T. What? What did I do? Oh no, it looks like she spilled her drink. You read the sentence. Good job. Her. Here's that bossy R. H-E-R. Her. She can snap her fingers. You read? His. H-I-S. His. He will do his best. Your turn. Good job. Of. This is a big rule breaker. It sounds like of. Doesn't look the way it sounds, does it? O-F. Of. I have a pair of socks. Your turn. Put. P-U-T. Put. I put my hands up. You read the sentence? Maybe read it with your hands up. Good job. Some. Another rule breaker that does not sound the way it looks. There's a lot of them in this set. S-O-M-E. Some. May I have some cake? Read the sentence. Home. This one actually does follow the rules. That silent E on the end jumps over the M and makes the O say its name. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. I can't wait to get home. Your turn. Good job. Says. Here's another one that tells us when someone is talking, but it makes a little bit different sound than just S-A-Y, say. When we add the S, it becomes says. S-A-Y-S, says. Do what your teacher says. Or, my friend says, come play with me. There's those quotation marks again to show that someone is talking. Good job on these words, boys and girls. I know there's a lot of tricky ones in this set, so keep practicing. Go to the other slides with the sound off and watch some of those videos on the side and read aloud with some of those books that are on there as well for some extra practice. Good job, everybody.